Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook paneer curry. First, cube approximately 250 grams of paneer into 1-inch pieces. This will ensure even cooking and absorption of flavors. Prepare your aromatics by finely chopping 2 medium onions and 2 ripe tomatoes, along with a 2-inch piece of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. Having everything prepped makes the cooking flow seamlessly. This simple preparation is key for a delicious, efficient meal. Begin by warming 2 tablespoons of ghee or your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onions, stirring frequently until they become soft and golden, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, introduce your minced ginger and garlic, sautéing them for 1 minute until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. This stage is crucial for building a deep, foundational flavor for your curry. Now add your dry spices, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1½ teaspoons of coriander powder, and ½ a teaspoon of red chili powder. Sauté for 30 seconds to toast them, then stir in the chopped tomatoes. Cook these for about 10 minutes until they break down and the oil begins to separate, creating a rich base. Add ½ a cup of water, bringing it to a gentle simmer for 5 minutes to allow the flavors to deepen beautifully. Finally, it is time to add the star ingredient. Gently fold the paneer cubes into your luscious curry sauce, along with 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream or yogurt for extra richness. Allow it to simmer for only 3 to 4 minutes. You want the paneer to warm through but remain soft. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro, then serve this delightful paneer curry hot. It pairs perfectly with fluffy rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.